In this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and engage with file printouts in OneNote. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First off, open up your OneNote app. If you're not signed in, you'll need to do that first. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the section where you want to insert your file printout. For keeping your notebooks organized, it's helpful to decide beforehand which section is the best fit for your file. When you've found the right spot in your notebook, look towards the upper left part of your screen. You'll see a series of tabs, and we're going to focus on the one labeled Insert. Click on the Insert tab to open the options available. You'll see various options for things you can add to your OneNote, from tables to images. But for our purposes today, we're focusing on file printouts. This feature allows you to insert the content of your document as an image into your OneNote page, which is super helpful for keeping everything visible and easily accessible. Now click on File Printout. This will open a dialog box where you can choose the file you wish to insert. You can select any file type that you want to see rendered in your notebook. Browse your files, find the document you want to insert, and once selected, hit Insert. What OneNote does is convert each page of your document into an image and places it on your notebook page. It allows you to see all the content from your document right there in your notes. Once your file is inserted, you'll notice each page of your document is displayed as an individual image. You can click and drag each page around your notebook to rearrange them in whatever way makes the most sense for you, and you can add annotations directly on top of the printouts. Just select the drawing tools from the menu and go to town with your notes and highlights. A neat trick is to resize the images to better fit your layout or encapsulate additional notes. This provides a visual representation of your document, which can be fantastic for reviewing or sharing ideas. And that's it. Now you know how to insert and engage with file printouts in OneNote. By integrating documents into your notes, you enhance the organization and accessibility of your materials, making it easier for future reference. Give it a try and see how much it improves your note-taking experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.